Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel Bee Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What we are going to do today is I'm going to be testing out some vinyl here. So Teckwrap did reach out to me to send me some vinyl and some products and things like that for me to try out. It's a vinyl company. They do have other stuff, but they sent me a bunch of vinyl to try out. So that's what I will be doing today. For the most part, I think they sent me mostly color changing vinyl, which is for hot and cold, which means I'm going to have to do drinkware. Okay, so I'll be doing 2 tumblers today. Okay, a clear one and a pink one. I did get both of these from Micheals, but I will be testing out the color changing vinyl on both of these today. Okay, but here is the box, and as you can see, they have their logo here. This says Teckwrap, so they have, you know, really good branding. But I'm just gonna quickly kind of go through the box and show you guys everything I got. Oh my gosh, wait, there's more stuff at the bottom. I never even, oh no, that's my box. Okay. Here's the box. This other box was my stuff. I was like, wait a minute. This is the box. There we go. That makes it a little bit easier to see. Okay, so this looks like, let me go ahead and open this up. This looks like some weeding tools, maybe. Let me see. Okay, it's a cute little holographic pouch that says Teckwrap on the front. And then, like I said, this looks like some tools. So a squeegee, like a vinyl squeegee, and it has their logo on it. And then some holographic, what are these, tweezers? Yep, holographic tweezers. And oh, this is a weeding pen. Okay, this is the needle, this is the pen. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. So here's the, let me turn this down. Okay, see it. My ring light is always doing me bold. Here's the pen. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's a, what is this? A weeding pen? I think this is a weeding pen. This is so pretty though. I love this. And then this is, it looks like a replacement for this. Okay. But this is so pretty. I love this. Do y'all see that? It's pink and gold. That's so pretty. I'm going to use that today. Okay. Oh. Let me put this stuff back in here so I don't lose it. Put that in there. Okay. But this pouch is really pretty too. And then I got a standard tack mat. It's a like similar to a standard grit mat. Okay, cutting mat. Now this is all the vinyl that I have. I do have a lot of rolls, and I'm pretty positive they're all color changing. Okay, white too. So as you can see, it's white right now. So it would color change to, this one says red. Okay, so I have red, pink, orange, yellow, lavender. Oh, that sounds pretty. Green, deep blue, and this one is Tiffany. Okay, so I have a clear mug or a clear tumbler here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do yellow, because I'm really feeling the color yellow right now. So I think I'm gonna put yellow on this one. a design. Maybe I'll do a decal with my name. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe I'll do flowers or something. I'm not sure. I'll figure out a design to do for this cup, and we're going to do the yellow color changing. And then for this one, it's pink. So I don't want to put pink on pink. I think I may do two. I think I might do lavender. Maybe lavender and red. Not sure. Not sure which one I'm going to use for the pink. I might do either lavender or red, or lavender and red, okay? But that's all that they sent me. They just sent me a bunch of color changing vinyl. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to go and find some designs to put on these two mugs, and then we're going to go ahead and put them on together. All right, guys, so I do have my vinyl cutting, but I did want to just go ahead and kind of quickly show you how the designs that I'm going to be using today and where I got them from. I did get them from Creative Fabrica, and I didn't favorite it. That's okay. So this butterfly design is the one I'm going to be using on the tall pink cup that I have, and I'm going to be using, I think, red, maybe red and purple butterflies. And then the other design I'm going to be using is a lemon. It's like a summertime kind of lemon, and I thought I favorited it, but I did not. I guess I didn't. Oh yes, I did. It's in here. It's in this bundle. I forgot. So I did download this bundle, and I'm going to be using this lemonade design here on the smaller clear tumbler. So these are the two SVG designs that I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to be using Cricut to cut them, and then I'm going to basically just layer them and then put them on my cup. Okay, which I will show you how I do that as well. But I just wanted to show you where I got my SVG designs from. It is Creative Fabrica. I will leave a link down below if you want to try out Creative Fabrica. The link that I have is going to give you a, you'll be able to sign up for $1, and then you will be able to, every month after that will be $19. I'm sorry, I had lost my train of thought for a second. So your first month will be $1, and then every month after that will be $19. And I'll leave a link for that down below. And then also I'm going to show you the Teckwrap website as well. Let me see if I can find it. And this is the Teckwrap website, which is who sent me all the vinyl. So all of the color changing vinyl and everything like that did come from Teckwrap. And then they do have different bundles that you can purchase. They have different like rainbows. They have color changing. The color changing vinyl is what I have today. They have the tools. They have, I believe they have HTV as well. Yep. So they have HTV. They have tumblers, they have the beer can glass tumblers, they have bundles, they have all different kinds of things. I will also leave a link down for heat transfer. I'm sorry, not heat transfer warehouse. I'm sorry. I was looking at this word warehouse right here, HTV warehouse. Okay, that's where I got that from. But anyways, I will leave a link down below for Teckwrap if you would like to try them out. Okay. So I'm like I said, I do have my vinyl cutting. I'm going to finish cutting it, and then I am going to put it together with you guys so that we can see how it looks. All right, guys, so we are going to go ahead and start with the clear mug. Well, actually, I ended up only doing one design because the other design that I had for the pink cup, it ended up being way too intricate, and the cuts were just terrible, and the weeding was terrible. But what I'm doing right now is I am layering the design. So the lemon, the seeds, and the little leaf parts on the lemons, they're all different colors. They're like green, yellow, and red, I believe. So what I'm doing right now is I am layering the seeds, which are red, with the lemon parts, and some of the seeds didn't necessarily line up all of the way. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking my weeding tool and my tweezers, and I'm adjusting the seeds so that they line up where they're supposed to for the ones that did not line up the way that they were supposed to. And then I'm gonna take that and I'm going to try to line it up with the little leaf parts, but I ended up needing to go get a piece of butcher paper because it just wasn't lining up the way that I wanted it, way that I wanted to. I don't know if maybe, you know, the cuts were off, or I don't know. I'm not sure. So I ended up getting a piece of butcher paper, and what I'm gonna do is line up a piece of it, and then I'm gonna move the butcher paper and line it up as I go while moving the butcher paper down. But as you can see, I was kind of having a hard time getting everything to line up the way I needed it to. So I'm just taking my time and I'm just going section by section to make sure that all of the leaf parts line up the way that they're supposed to with the lemons so that my design comes out right. And I am using the squeegee that Teckwrap sent as well, which I really do like. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the cup, and I'm also going to do this part in sections as well. I did not make my tumbler holder here. I bought this from Amazon. I will leave a link down below. I just did not feel like making my own, even though you absolutely could. There are tons of videos on how to make your own tumbler holder, but again, I was being lazy, so I did order mine. So again, I'll link it down below if you want to order one. But what I'm doing now is I'm placing my design on the cup, and I am going section by section, and then I do have to place the words summer vibes only. I do have to place that on the cup as well. Sorry, I kind of went out of view here, but all I'm doing is laying it, pushing it down with my fingers, and then moving on to the next section. And now what I'm doing is the words, the summer vibe words, and I'm going to place that right in the middle. Alright, what I'm doing now is I am at home, and I'm going to put some ice in the cup, and I'm going to go ahead and put some cold, well, it's not cold, but it will be cold once the ice activates it. But I'm putting all of this in the cup. Now, I was trying to wait for it to change color so that you could see it change color, but this cup is way thicker, so it was taking longer for the vinyl to change color. If you have like a regular cup, you'll see it change color quicker, but I ended up getting a really like thick cup. It's supposed to keep your, you know, your cold's cold and your hot's hot, so you don't really feel it on the outside unless it's been sitting in the cup for a little while. But I did go ahead and take a another shot, so you'll see it in the next clip here, so that you can at least see the vinyl. But this is after the ice has been sitting in the cup for a couple minutes, and as you can see, the color of the vinyl is changing. The words are blue, the seeds are red, the leaves are green, and the lemons are turning yellow. It ended up coming out really cute. That's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye.